Hello students, welcome back to the online session of DC machines and transformer. Today we will discuss our new topic, which is the basic principle of transformer in detail. So let's start with the contents. So the first is introduction, what is transformer, working principle of transformer and the basic construction of transformer. So we all have seen the transformer at home, at road, outside of society and the different places. Today we will understand what is the transformer, how it is works and what is inside the transformer. So let's start. So what is the transformer? Transformer is basically a static device. A transformer is an electrical device that can be used to transfer power from one circuit to the another circuit without change of frequency. So if we talk about the basic principle of transformer, so transformer works on a mutual induction principle. Before we discuss, let's understand what is primary winding and what is secondary winding. So you can see from figure, the primary winding which is connected with the supply, it is known as a primary winding, and the secondary winding which is connected with the load is known as a secondary winding. So let's start with the working principle. When we give the supply to the primary winding, which is the AC supply, there is the alternating flux produced in the winding. The core provide the magnetic path for the flux to get linked with the secondary winding. As the flux produced is alternating, the direction of it is continuously changing. EMF gets induced in the secondary winding according to the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. This EMF is called the mutually induced EMF, and the frequency of mutually induced EMF is same as that of a supplied EMF. If the secondary winding is closed circuit, then the mutually induced current flow through it, and hence the electrical energy is transferred from one circuit to the another circuit, or we can say the power is transferred from primary winding to the secondary winding. So in transformer, primary and secondary winding is mutually connected, it is not electrically connected. So both the windings are mutually connected because of electromagnetic field, and that's why we can say the transformer works on mutual induction principle. So if we summarize in short, a transformer carries the operations as below: transfer of electrical power from one circuit to the another circuit, transfer of electrical power without change of frequency, transfer with the principle of electromagnetic induction, and the two electrical circuits are linked by a mutual induction. So now let's move to the next topic, which is the basic construction of transformer. So transformer mainly consists of the magnetic circuit, electrical circuit, dielectrical circuit, tank and accessories. But we only discuss the main parts. So the main elements of the transformer are the windings and core. So if we talk about the windings, so there are two types of windings in transformer: primary winding and secondary winding. The two coils are insulated from each other and from the steel core. If the secondary voltage is more than the primary voltage, it is called as a step up transformer, and if it is less, it is called the step down transformer. Therefore the windings are designed as a high voltage and low voltage winding based on the voltage level. Compared to the low voltage winding, high voltage winding needs the more insulation to withstand high voltage, also needs more clearance to the core and the body. The next part is the core. The core of the transformer is made of silicon steel in order to provide a continuous magnetic path. Usually the core of the transformer is laminated for minimizing the eddy current loss. So next move to the assignment question. First, explain the working principle of transformer. Second, define the primary and secondary winding in transformer. Explain the function of core in transformer. So see you in the next video session of DC machines and transformer with new topic. Thank you.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJB Electrical. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.